In this video, I want to talk about this Synology 4-bay disk station. This is a DS923 Plus, and basically I wanted to make a video that I wish that I could have seen before I bought this, because I did a lot of research and I just wanted something simple. And the cool thing about this is it can be really complicated, meaning it can do a lot of stuff, but it also can be pretty simple. You can use this for so many things. The reason I got it is because I wanted to put all of my data on here instead of doing this. All of these various hard drives have different sizes. Like this is a 4 terabyte. Some of them are 2, some are 1, some are 5, but basically what I use those for is I create videos and I have hundreds and hundreds of hours of video that I want to save, and I access them all the time, and I wanted them all in one place. So that's what I did. This currently has, you can get different size drives, but I have 3 12 terabyte hard drives and 1 20 terabyte hard drives. So you can pull one of these out. Here's a 12 terabyte, and it's really simple. These do not come with this. You have to buy these separately. And as I said, you could get different sizes, but they make it really easy. The instructions are very clear on how to install them. You have these that lock so you don't accidentally remove them while the system is on. And it comes with these little keys that you can just lock this. And you can't remove it. The cool thing about this is that you can hook it up. It is a NAS. It's a network attached storage device. So you can hook it up to your router and do all kinds of things. Basically, for me, what that means is I can put all of my files on here and I can access them from anywhere that I have an internet connection. They have an app. Synology has apps that you can access your data that way. You can download it to your phone. You can upload stuff from your phone, upload stuff from your computer, no matter if it is directly attached, which you also can do, making it faster. But I have my laptop on Wi-Fi and I can still access data on this. You can also hook up USBs. There's one in the front and one in the back, and hook up, say, an external hard drive and transfer data that way, nice and quickly. So like I said, I want to keep this super simple, but it can do so many different things. Some people use this as a backup for their surveillance cameras. All of the footage can go on here. You can use it as a server for a website. You can use it as a network device. Say you have employees or even your family. They can have different folders on here. You can give them usernames and passwords to be able to access certain things on here and not access other things. So it's not just an external hard drive. It is also, it basically is its own computer. It has all kinds of apps, including, let's say somebody goes in here, your kid goes in and starts moving files around and stuff. It has an app that it's like a snapshot replicator is what it's called. It can go back to a certain point in time and put all those files back where they need to be. It has a photo app. It has a storage analyzer app that you can search for duplicate files. So in the massive amount of files in here, I definitely have a lot of duplicates. So this, if you run the app, you can identify those duplicates and kind of consolidate your data. That's why I use it. I just wanted everything in one place. And you can set it up in many different ways. So you could just literally use this as an external hard drive and have all of these. So all of these would be the equivalent of about 50 terabytes or so. The way I have it set up is a shared drive, which basically it shares data across all these drives, and I have a fail-safe of 1 drive. So if one of these drives goes bad, I can shut the system down, or it will give you an alert and give you instructions on how to just take that drive out, replace it, and you won't lose any data. So that's really cool. You could set it up where you have a 2-drive failsafe, so 2 drives would have to fail for you to lose some data, and that is the reason that I bought this, because I lost 2 hard drives. I hate losing data, so that way this thing will protect it so that won't happen again. I consider myself to be maybe a mid-level tech person, so when I was doing research for something like this, a solution for my storage needs, it was really confusing. And like I said, I just wanted to make a video for somebody like me to make it really simple. Basically, the Synology software makes it really easy to install these drives, to set it up, to change the way that these are set up, whether it's a shared drive like me, which is kind of like a RAID, which is when you get into multiple disks. Basically, I got it right here because I'm not that tech savvy, a redundant array of independent disks, which means it stores data across multiple disks on one system. That way you can have a backup. It is a redundant kind of setup. So between that and being able to have all of my files in one place and not having to deal with this mess, and as a bonus, I can access my data from anywhere as long as this thing is on and hooked up to the router, I think it is going to work for me. It has been so far, and I hope this video helps you making your decision. Thanks for watching.